So today we're going to be making a logo using Canva. Alright, so we see ILCK on the Magic Media and Amec logo G and Dune.
Just do what I do, mate.
Alright, when you finish the logo, go the text.
Sorry, I can't think of a name.
Pick one and click on it and resize it whatever you like.
Done!